What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise News. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where this is actually happening. The Acura Integra is back. Hot on the heels of the NSX Type-S debut, Acura has decided to drop a bombshell by announcing the plans to dust off the faded Integra nameplate, and it is billed as a new compact premium entrant and will be unveiled in 2022 when it aims to deliver the same fun-to-drive sprint and DNA of the original, and that's according to the company's vice president and brand officer. Now, additional details are scarce for the time being, but the car silhouette made a brief appearance during a debut event organized for the NSX Type-S. Now, the shape was presented as part of a drone show, and it seems fairly obvious that we're dealing with a two-door sports car. That contradicts rumors from last year about the new Integra badged compact sedan announced in the dealer presentation. Now, those who were sad upon learning that Honda's plan to phase out the Civic Coupe can now take comfort from knowing that Acura will launch its own two-door car. And you can only assume that the revived Integra will be based on the 11th generation Civic, presumably with the power from the same engine as the manual-only Civic Si. Now, with spring 2022 mentioned in the social media post published by Acura, it means that the 5th generation Integra will likely be available for the 2023 model year. And the adjacent teaser image shows the car's name embossed into the front bumper, while the sharp LED headlights are quite similar to those of the TLX Type-S. Now, when it does eventually arrive, it's going to give fans of affordable sports cars another alternative to the likes of the Subaru BRZ, Toyota GR86, and Nissan Z, which are all switching to the next generation model for the 2022 model year. And as you may recall, the Acura brand officer expressed his interest in doing a hot Type S version of all models, and the Integra would fit that bill better than any other model given its heritage. So with that said, are you guys just excited about the Integra coming back as everyone else? Let me know down in the comments below, what are you looking forward to for this car? And with that said, if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can talk about the return of the long-awaited Acura Integra. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down below. I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, and my Venmo, just in case you guys want to donate $1 or $2 to the channel. I appreciate the love and support. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch. You want tank tops, tote bags, fanny packs, hoodies, you can check that out, get that stuff there, or check me out on Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, TikTok. See everything I'm posting, car memes, pictures, and videos. It doesn't always make it here to the channel. Now make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you don't miss one news video. With that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise News video. Peace.